Thank you so much, Ram. Thank you. I mean, it's like really, I don't know. I don't have words. I wasn't expecting this. And I wasn't expecting I would go up till 73%. I was just thinking if I pass, it would be like 64, 65, something like that.
I know, but I always told you that how beautifully you speak, how good the composure. The only problem which I was facing from you is that you were skipping the presentations. So I had to
You
bring you back, Shweta, please. And in the last few week, I took you consecutive back-to-back presentations. Shweta, no, every session you will present because you had been missing your presentations. But I'm so happy, Shweta. This was very well deserved. And I mean, you had that thing within you and you managed it beautifully despite being one of the busy gynac, I feel. I mean, you're always into patients, always into patients. How
I
do you?
know, ma'am. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure I must be one of your students who was always running away from you instead of, going
And
towards you.
I had to scold you to bring, please, please present. I'm waiting for you. So, how do you feel today, and what would you like to suggest? Because you have very less time in terms of, the whole day, very less time to study.
See, ma'am, what I felt in the part three specifically that one, it is actually like the way you talk to your patients in the clinic. And even in the exam, I felt that one should never memorize any template. I mean, if you memorize your stations, they would go bad. So actually, imagine the patient is sitting in front of you, the way you always say, and just take it as it comes. So that's one thing what I felt. I mean, I couldn't study in the initial 2 3 months, because I was doing that MRCPI, and then I felt that now I need a holiday and all that. So
Yeah.
later part, I realized I was telling you also that I wasted so much of time, but then even then, I could manage finishing whatever material you had given. Although I was not, I mean, my time never coincided with your meeting time, so I was like not there very punctually, but I used to make it a point that I read your material. So I think that helped. So ultimately, in the stations, it went on okay. My labor ward went very good, in fact. I mean, the whoever took my this thing, I mean, that was my last one, and the expression, I understood that, yeah, I was very happy with it. So so I think probably that gave an edge. So I mean, just consistency is required, and yes, I mean, see, I mean, I knew that, okay, communication will not be a problem, but I felt that applied clinical knowledge, I mean, what arrows you give, no, at the end of every station at your CREST
Yeah.
tutorial, that, okay,
Yeah.
I had just taken the screenshots of all those arrows, made them together into a file so that, in the last moment, all the modules could be revised with just those arrows. That's it. So, I mean, that's what really helped.
Very nice. I'm so proud of you. Now, MRC Pioski is waiting for you. You're already in the batch and we have started studying. It won't
Ma'am,
be a
this
problem.
Sunday also the same thing happened with me. The day you had that meeting, I
Yeah.
landed up in an emergency. I couldn't attend. I
Yeah.
was
And I was
thinking
like,
you will.
I always keep the session timing. I'm talking to Shweta. Shweta, would you be available at that time? I'm happy that at least you have started the journey and now the confidence would come and
Yeah.
this won't be a problem for you. You can score very, very high in MRCPI with this preparation basis. And
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
in this. Congratulations once
Yeah.
again.
Thank
And
you. Thank you so
take care,
much.
my dear. Urvashi is starting for November. She just missed it, but I just want that, just boost her up so that, she has that feel that she can still do it despite
Yeah,
this
yeah, sure,
uh,
ma'am.
time.
Hmm.
Thank you very
Right,
much.
right. Thank
Congratulations.
you. Thank you.